Hearing?
Yeah, hey, what's that? That's a peeper. Peeper. You read it. I already did.
Weren't you paying attention, Nicholas?
I found $1. Nicholas found 2 money. He found $1. Hey! He found $2. Hey, Mommy! Hey, Mommy!
Yeah?
He's got me 1 egg. Wait!
What do you say?
Egg you can't. Hey. Where's those eggs? Hey.
Look. Keep looking. Keep looking.
Hey, come on. Hey, I see one.
Ooh,
I see one.
you do?
Yeah. Guys, look what I found. What? An egg. Oh, good job. What? I found too many of these. I have too much eggs. Yeah, I have more than that. Yeah, what's the surprise? Bingo. Oh, yeah. Bingo in there. That's Mommy's. What? We're doing bingo after? That was D's. We're doing bingo after?
Looks like egg coloring.
I want to dip egg.
Go ahead. Get an egg.
I want to do it.
Sure. Put it in there all the way. And twirl it around.
Like I'm doing.
Twirl it, Nicholas.
I did. Whoa.
You making pink?
No. Look at my egg.
Whoa. Making orange or yellow?
Yeah, orange. Because there's no yellow. I saw that one.